What is up, guys? Tanner with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And today I'm going to be going over the expectations versus reality of Shopify dropshipping. So if you don't know me, my name is Tanner Planis. I'm a 17-year-old serial entrepreneur, and I've been involved with dropshipping for almost a year now. So I've been through a lot of trial and error. I've learned a lot. I've lost a lot of money, made a lot of money. Luckily, I've made more than I've lost, and I've been able to, learn a lot on this road to success with Shopify dropshipping. So it's not the only thing I do. I'm involved with a lot of other online business ventures. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. But basically, this video is going to be going over the expectations I see people think before they start, and then once they start, what actually happens. Because most people that actually start dropshipping fail and give up after losing 20 bucks or whatever. So most people give up and they don't reach success with dropshipping. The success rate is very low because first of all, a lot of people don't take action and actually start. And second off, a lot of people start, but then they don't complete what they were trying to do and they give up. So never give up, just keep going. Before we get into this video, guys, make sure you drop a like if you like what you see, if you like this content, you want more. And make sure you drop any video ideas below and I might make it. So now, let's head over here on my computer. I made a Google Doc of the expectations versus realities. And then I'm gonna go over each one and explain to you guys what I think. So let's get in here. Okay, so now we're on my computer here. I made a Google Doc of the expectations versus realities. I made a list of 5 of the expectations and 5 of the realities. So I'm gonna go one by one and explain sort of what's going on. So the first thing I have here on the expectations is that dropshipping is easy to learn. And that's completely wrong. I mean, to a certain extent, I'm young and I was able to learn it, but I'm young and I'm able to learn whatever I want. A lot of people put age to a thing of, how you can learn, how much you can learn, what you can learn, and that kind of thing. But age doesn't determine success. It doesn't determine what you can learn, how you can learn, and all that kind of stuff. So dropshipping is not necessarily easy to learn. A lot of people come in there, they're like, yeah, it's gonna be easy, I'm gonna get it done fast, set up everything and get it ready. But the reality of that, if you go down to the first one on realities, it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time to learn and acquire all of the knowledge that you need in order to run your own store. And then the second part of that is that it says trial and error. Trial and error has probably been the biggest factor within me becoming successful with dropshipping. A lot of people, you can take courses, you can watch YouTube videos of me, whoever else. But the thing is, that's not going to be everything. That's not going to guarantee success. The only way you're going to actually reach guaranteed success is through trial and error of yourself, going through creating a store, making it happen, and going over everything yourself. So the second thing of the expectations is you're going to have an instant return on your investment. That's completely not true. You're never going to have an instant return on your investment unless it's something crazy. Like you give your friend 20 bucks and he gives you 40. That's an instant ROI. But people, before they get into dropshipping or they start, they're like, yeah, I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna instantly start making money. I'm not gonna lose any money at all. But the reality is, if you go there, it says you're going to lose money. Yes, you are going to lose money dropshipping. That is the fact for 90% of people that actually get into dropshipping. You're gonna lose money off the bat because you're not good at everything. You don't know everything you need to know in order to become successful and be profitable as a Shopify dropshipper. So it takes time, trial and error. And you're not gonna make money. You're gonna lose a little bit of money. Hopefully you cut the learning curve and you don't lose too much money, because a lot of people ask me, how much am I gonna need to start? And that's the question I can't answer because it depends for everybody, just because there's so many variables. So the next thing I have here is the expectation, finding the perfect products first try. A lot of people go in, they create this store, they add these products, like, yeah man, these are great products, I'm gonna sell them, I'm really gonna make a lot of money. No, you're not. You're not going to be able to do that. Finding products is something that takes time and research. You may get lucky, put a product on there, and then it starts making you a lot of money. But the fact is probably that is not true. It's going to take time. You're going to learn once you first make your store, you put these products on there, and they don't make you money. You're going to be, oh, what's going on here? I have the perfect products, why am I not making money? So there it says in the realities, your first product choices suck. And yep, that's 100% true. Your product choices suck. You don't know what you're doing. You just found some random products off of somebody else's store probably, and you added them on there. Product research actually takes time. So now the next one in expectations is creating the perfect ad first try. Creating ads, whether it's Facebook ads or influencer ads, if you're starting, most likely it's gonna be influencer ads. A lot of people are gonna think you created the perfect ad first try, you're doing this free plus shipping, you're doing this sale, blah, blah, blah. All these people are gonna love it, they're gonna buy it. The reality is that you suck at making ads. You've never done it before. You create this ad, it looks like trash. It either sucks because you copied someone exactly and you're basically just leeching off of other competition, or you just completely suck at making ads and you didn't do any research on how to do it. So really, if you want to create a good ad, I have videos on my channel how to create an ad. It actually takes time to learn that design process. Maybe you're already creative and you know what you're doing and you're able to do that. But most of the time, you have to learn the psychology of buyers and how they get engaged with these ads and how they click on the link and all that kind of stuff, so you actually know what to make and put into your ads instead of just putting something together and thinking, oh, this is perfect. And now the last thing I have here on expectations is getting rich. A lot of people think Shopify dropshipping is, get rich quick scheme, and a lot of people blame me. They're saying, Tanner, you are just promoting this get rich quick scheme. No, it is not a get rich quick scheme. You know, it takes time. It's like any other business. It's just a very lucrative business that is online and it doesn't take too much to start up. You know, anybody can do it. If you go to the realities, you aren't going to make a lot of money unless you're consistent. So like I said at the beginning of the video, a lot of people get in, they start, whether they don't start at all, you know, or they just give up completely. So you're not gonna make a lot of money drop shipping unless, you know, you figure out these certain patterns, these certain methods of your own that help you make money, and then, you know, put them into something that lasts in the long run. Because if you're not, then you're not gonna make a lot of money, you're not gonna get rich. I'm not considering myself rich, I'm not considering other people that make a lot of money with dropshipping rich. I'm just saying that's what people think. They think they're gonna get rich from Shopify dropshipping. You know, I made a lot of money through other business ventures, not just Shopify dropshipping. Dropshipping is just one that I really like talking about, I love helping other people with because it's somewhat simple to most people, not necessarily to make money, but in the process of what exactly dropshipping is and how it works, because then you go in, you have the basis from me, from YouTube videos, and then you're able to apply that and start learning on your own. So I've talked about consistency before a lot, and that's what it takes in order to become successful in anything that you want to do is consistency. So those are the expectations and realities that I came up with for Shopify dropshipping. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.